If you want to own an HVAC system that will function reliably for 30 years without replacement, do not buy whatever the contractor recommends. Ask a retired HVAC technician what systems he installed 40 years ago that still function perfectly. Ask a homeowner whose heating and cooling system has never required replacement. Ask a commercial building manager whose HVAC equipment outlasted 3 generations of managers. These professionals understand something that modern HVAC manufacturers desperately hide. Most new HVAC systems are engineered to fail within 10 to 15 years. But there is a small group of manufacturers who still build equipment designed for permanence. Equipment that will outlast the original purchaser. Equipment built for durability instead of planned obsolescence. Today, I am revealing the only 5 HVAC brands worth purchasing for lifetime reliability. Before we continue, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. We celebrate HVAC quality and home comfort solutions every single week. If you care about purchasing heating and cooling equipment that will last decades without failure, subscribing ensures you never miss this content. Now let us reveal the 5 HVAC brands that refuse planned obsolescence. Brand number 1. Trane. Trane manufactures HVAC systems in the United States using heavy-duty components and precision engineering. Their commercial and residential units are built with metal chassis, sealed bearings, and robust compressors. Trane systems cost $8,000 to $15,000 installed. Cheap alternatives cost $3,000 to $5,000. Yet a Trane system will function reliably for 25 to 30 years. A cheap system fails within 10 years. Trane uses high-quality compressors that maintain performance across decades. The copper tubing is brazed properly, preventing leaks. The expansion devices are precision manufactured. Professional HVAC technicians specify Trane because the equipment rarely fails during service life. The durability is documented across thousands of installations spanning decades. Brand number 2. Lennox. Lennox manufactures heating and cooling equipment in the United States using precision manufacturing standards. Their systems use variable speed compressors, providing superior efficiency and durability. Lennox units cost $7,000 to $13,000 installed. Cheap alternatives cost $3,000 to $5,000. A Lennox system will function reliably for 25 years minimum. The compressor maintains performance. The heat exchanger never develops cracks. The controls operate consistently. Lennox refuses to use cheap components cutting corners. They use premium lubricants in compressors. They use high-quality expansion devices. They use robust electrical components. The equipment cost reflects manufacturing excellence. Professional technicians choose Lennox because failure rates are minimal across service life. Brand number 3. American Standard. American Standard manufactures HVAC equipment using time-tested designs and quality components. Their systems are engineered for long-term reliability. American Standard units cost $6,000 to $12,000 installed. Cheap alternatives cost $3,000 to $5,000. American Standard system will function reliably for 25 years. The compressor rarely fails. The heat exchanger maintains integrity. The controls operate consistently across decades. American Standard refuses unnecessary complexity. They use standard refrigerants, avoiding proprietary requirements. They manufacture components domestically, maintaining quality control. The equipment durability reflects commitment to reliability over cost reduction. Brand number 4. Carrier. Carrier manufactures HVAC systems using heavy-duty commercial-grade components in residential equipment. Their systems are built with metal housings, sealed bearings, and robust compressors. Carrier units cost $7,000 to $14,000 installed. Cheap alternatives cost $3,000 to $5,000. A Carrier system will function reliably for 25 to 30 years without major repairs. Carrier uses commercial quality components in all equipment. The compressors are industrial grade, designed for years of reliable operation. The heat exchangers are copper aluminum construction, resisting corrosion. Professional HVAC contractors specify Carrier because the equipment rarely requires service calls during the warranty period and beyond. Brand number 5. York. York manufactures heating and cooling equipment using precise engineering and quality materials. Their systems use robust compressors. York units cost $6,000 to $12,000 installed. Cheap alternatives cost $3,000 to $5,000. A York system will function reliably for 25 years. The compressor maintains performance. The system efficiency remains consistent. The controls operate reliably. York refuses cost-cutting in critical components. They use premium compressor oils. They use heavy-duty expansion devices. They use sealed bearings on all rotating equipment. The manufacturing process maintains consistency. Professional technicians choose York because the equipment durability is proven across thousands of installations spanning decades. The common thread. These 5 brands share identical philosophy. They manufacture for durability, not planned obsolescence. They charge premium prices because they use superior components and manufacturing precision. They refuse cost-cutting that degrades quality. They design for 25 to 30-year lifespan. They build reputations through reliability, not marketing. Why cheap HVAC fails. Budget HVAC systems use cheap compressors failing within 10 years. The expansion devices malfunction from cheap materials. The electrical components fail prematurely. The system requires replacement within a decade, costing $3,000 to $5,000 repeatedly. Over 30 years, the total cost exceeds $15,000 in repeated replacements. Quality systems cost $10,000 up front, but function for 30 years without major repair. The total lifetime cost is lower despite higher initial investment. The comfort is superior. The efficiency remains consistent. If you need HVAC equipment, purchase from these 5 brands. Yes, the initial cost is higher. Yes, you sacrifice budget pricing, but you gain reliability, efficiency, consistency, and 30-year lifespan. You purchase once and own for life. You avoid the replacement cycle cheap systems force. Invest in quality. Your home comfort depends on it. If you made it this far, subscribe and hit the notification bell. I celebrate HVAC quality every single week. Share this video with anyone replacing heating and cooling systems.